Guys, in today's video, we are getting as real can possibly get. I woke up this morning with zero motivation to do anything, but my room, it's just a mess. It's just a mess. I think I also have a Dunkin' Donuts bag, which I'm about to show you that's on the bed from our breakfast earlier. But this is Cam's side of the bed and more breakfast items, more garbage. It's just a mess. Here are some Amazon bathing suits that I just bought and washed. I need to put those away. And here's Cam's lunch from the previous day. There's just food and a mess everywhere, you guys. I'm just going to use one all-purpose cleaner, which is the Mrs.Meyers all-purpose cleaner in the peony scent. I'm going to start on my side of the nightstand, and I'm just going to start by throwing away all the garbage, making sure that all the papers are taken care of, and generally tidying up so that I can get this table nice and clean. And for those of you that like Bath & Body Works candles, or any candle really that comes in a nice container, this is just a Bath & Body Works candle that I burnt out. So I've used the entire candle and then I took out the remaining wax to fill it up with my essential oils because the container was really pretty and it went with my decor. So that's a little hack for you. Don't throw out your containers, just reuse them. Moving on to Cam's side of the nightstand. As you can tell, it's not that bad, but we do have breakfast from this morning there and just general tidying up that we need to do to make sure that everything is clean. Move on to the dresser where I have these Amazon bathing suits that I need to put away after I wash them. We're going to continue with just cleaning up and tidying up. There's a whole collection here of things that just need to go downstairs, like dirty cups, plastic cups, things that belong in the bathroom, like my hair products. So we're just going to continue generally cleaning up. And now we're just gonna generally tidy up this bookcase. But you guys, the reason why this room gets so messy so quickly is because me, Cam, and our dog are staying in this little room in my mother's house as our new home construction gets finished up. So all of this mess, it accumulates between 2 grown adults and a dog. And to compound that, Cam works from home also outside of this room. So this little room just gets so much activity, and we are in here so often that it's very hard to keep this room clean and tidy at all times. It just gets messy so fast. The good news is that once our new home construction is done, I will absolutely be bringing you guys along, and I'll show you the entire process of what the house was like getting built, and we're gonna have a lot of fun decorating and just cleaning up our home, making sure that it's nice and tidy, and I wanna see you there. So make sure that you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that when those videos hit, you are alerted. Yes guys, you're seeing right. So our TV is actually propped up on 3 boxes right now because we didn't want to buy any other furniture until we got into our new house. So for the meantime, the TV is just being propped up on these boxes until we move, and then we can find something that's much nicer but that will fit in with our house. I'm just going to now Febreze the upholstered bed frame just to make sure it smells nice and clean. And then I'm going to spread baking soda all over our carpet before vacuuming. And if you didn't already know, baking soda is a great deodorizer. And with our puppy sleeping on this floor and also walking around so near it, I wanted to make sure that I could have something that was non-toxic to our puppy. So this is a great alternative to the carpet deodorizers full of chemicals. Here is an update so far. So here you can see that there's no more garbage anywhere. Everything is nice and shiny and clean. Everything smells nice and fresh. And we're just so much better than where we started, you guys. It feels so nice when your space is clean and clutter-free. Now we have arrived to what is my favorite part of cleaning, which is making the bed. I love a freshly made bed, and I am very particular about how I want my bed made. I love to see a well-made bed. if you're wondering about my clothing change, so the weather actually got pretty bad outside and the humidity kicked up, so our AC kicked up and it got so cold inside that I had to put a sweater on. And when you saw me pick up all those cups full of liquids, some of it actually spilled on me, so I had to take off my white shirt and put on this black one that matched with the black sweater. Fluffing my pillows and putting the pillowcases onto the pillows, I was just thinking the whole time about how unmotivated I was this morning and how I really didn't want to do anything in this room at all today. But then I thought, you know what, get yourself together, because you have a bed, you have things. There are many people out there in the world who don't have a bed, who wish that they had something to clean, who wish that they had enough things to make a mess with. And here you are complaining because you already have all of those things and you need to take care of them. So my tip to you is just that when you are feeling in a space where you do not want to take care of yourself and you do not want to take care of your room or any of your belongings, just be grateful. Have an attitude of gratitude, and that will go a long way to help you take care of yourself and take care of your things. And here we go, guys, the room is now fresh and clean. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up so I know to keep making more. Make sure that you subscribe and that you hit that notification bell so that I can catch you here next time I upload. Bye.